Hey beauties, it's me, it's Monajaibeauty again. I'm back today for another video. Of course, this video is going to be on this look right here. Yes, I just created this look, so I hope you dolls enjoy it. This video, as you can see from the title, is basically a Maybelline tutorial, basically using mostly Maybelline products to achieve this look. I did use the Rooftop Bronzes palette. This palette here, it is so gorgeous, and I love the look that I was able to create with it because it's still like dramatic, but it's still like that simple glam on the eye, like where you're able to kind of get like a little mini cut crease and all of that good stuff. So I really love these colors, how they blended out. So definitely you'll see that in the video. And then last but not least, I did love this lip kit. This is the kit that I have on my lips right now. Of course, it's not like that. I probably could have went in a little bit more on the bottom lip, but this is what I did with my lips, and I'm loving it so far. So yes, this lip kit is amazing and everything. So also the highlight, the glow, yes, it's Maybelline, and the foundation is Maybelline. Everything else is not, but you basically you'll see my eyes, the glow, and the lips. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then definitely make sure that you keep on watching and subscribe to your girl. And yeah, let's go on and get into this look. Now this product that I am using, it is the Too Faced, the sample size of the Chocolate Soleil bronzer. It does not work well as a bronzer as I have mentioned in previous videos, but we are definitely going to use it as a transition color, so that's what we're going to do. And we're going to take our fluffy blending brush and we're going to go straight into the color. And we're just going to apply it to our lid. Not our lid, but our crease. It's just where the transition happens. And do it as windshield wiper and then circle motion, but it can have a beautiful vision. With your eyes up this video and have it in the same transition to the next color. And then we might put those a little bit more just so that color just picks up a little bit so we can see it. Alright, so that looks pretty good so far with both of those together. So now we're going to dip into our City Bean palette and Rooftop Bronzers, and we're going to go into this shade that's right here. It doesn't have a name, of course, but we're going to definitely go into this shade. Alright, so the next shade we're digging into is this one. And we're doing that to create a more depth to it, to really add to it. And we're going to use this more precise blending brush. I really big one. Alright, so the next shade we're going into is going to be this gold shade right here, and we're going to top this on our lid. Alright, so the eye look is almost complete. So what we're going to do is take a brush like this. Of course, you're going to have a brown bone highlight. So we're going to go in with that color. Pop it in there. Brown bone.
Linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Just let your body go.
So that's done. So let's get into these lashes and we're gonna finish the rest of the face up. And we're gonna do that. Alright, beauty, so I'm back. Mostly, well, of course, my eyes are done and now my face is done and everything. Like I said, this is mostly a Maybelline makeup tutorial, so that means that, of course, something else is Maybelline related. Whew, my allergies are killing me. Okay, but of course, it means that something else Maybelline related is still left. So I'm going to be going in for my glow, my highlight that y'all get to see beaming. Going in with the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in Rose Gold. So let's get into this glow. And I'm going to be going in with my fan brush by e.l.f. And we're definitely going to get this glow popping. And I'm looking at my mirror right here. Just want to bring this here. Oh, that is gorgeous. And I love how it just melts into my tart blush. That's not my really but I love how it blends into it. And then we're just going to bring it into the other side. So, of course, down to my nose. And a little bit of my cheek as well because these ain't got to be, but the cheek needs to be popping. So now that we're done with that, of course, lips are next. So I guess y'all wonder, well, what are the lips gonna be? Well, let me show you. But yeah, lip thing popping. Let's see. So we're going in with this Maybelline Powder Metallic Lip Kit, and we're going to do this and look up a little bit. And so this is how it comes. How it looks. It's very sweet and clean, and I love that about it. And this is the Duo, which is like so gorgeous. So what we're going to do is take this lip brush that I have here, which is just really simple lip brush. I'm going to dip into this color and then I'm just going to apply this to my lips.
I wonder what went wrong today, Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. And move to the rhythm.
And for me, to get the intensity that I want, I'm gonna really have to build up this color. So that's pretty the way I like it so far. So I'm gonna brush the head with the lip. So I'm gonna use this brush here and I'm gonna go into this lip topper, which is basically an eyeshadow, and pop it on my lip. And there's it for this lip. I actually like this. This is different, but it's cute. I mean, I've done but this is like totally different from like usual lip combos with the metallic lips and everything. But this is pretty cute. I could rock this. Don't know what I could rock it to, but I could rock this though. So yeah, I'm really liking how the look is coming together now. Usually I would do my Urban Decay setting spray, but I'm just gonna go on and pop this Monajaibeauty on the skin. I had to put on a cute top to do this look. Got a slick back pony.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember.
Please let me know in the comment section below what you think of this video so far. Definitely be sure to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. Yes, subscribe to your girl. Let's keep our family growing. I know I have not been on my consistent game lately, so I'm trying to get back to my schedule. So my new filming schedule is going to be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday filming. Upload is Tuesday and Thursday. So I'm trying to stick to that. Please be sure to hold me to that. I'm definitely going to work hard to make sure I stay on a consistent basis, because that's the only way that y'all will stay and continue to watch me. But yeah, that's it for this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.